So, in today's lesson, I want to look at the functions of literature, um, basically looking at uh, what functions literature serve in society and generally in individuals or personal growth. So, it's quite interesting, and I want you to realize that there may be more than these short functions that I'm going to teach you. But then remember that literature also aims at making you a critical thinker and also be able to think outside the box. So, therefore, this means that you should not be limited to these functions that I'm going to outline. I'm going to outline basically, I think, about 6 functions of literature, and it's up to you to dive more and research more. So, number one, we are able to use literature for education purposes. Literature will be able to teach you about social and cultural norms, traditions, and values of a society, thereby building and enlightening you on the do's and don'ts of society. Okay, so then secondly, we are able to use literature for entertainment. Okay, on various occasions, literature is used through song, dances, poetry, and many other aspects of literature for entertainment purposes. Okay, so if at all you see people gathering and listening to songs, listening to dances, listening to poetry, just know that literature is at play. Then, apart from entertainment, the third point is that literature can also be used for social economic empowerment of individuals and just generally as a nation, because it provides jobs and recreation for artistic works. Okay. Then we are also able to see that literature can be used for sharpening artistic and verbal skills. Okay, through the use of literature, we are able to see different types of arts being produced, and also we are able to see that art as a skill is being promoted in different parts of the communities, which thereby leads to economic development, because this artistic work is thereby being sold on various in various platforms. Then, apart from that, we're able to see verbal skill being improved in individuals engaged in literature as a subject. Okay, so another important aspect or function of literature that we should not forget is that literature can be used for national integration. Okay, that means that literature can be used as a tool to bring about unity and transformation of a country. Okay, it can be a very, very effective tool in curbing political violence, in curbing gender-based violence, in curbing discrimination, and many other aspects of society. So, literature can be a very effective tool to bring about national integration and unity if used to its best or optimal level. So, with this said, we have to realize then that literature as a full package of oral and written comes to society to function not just as a tool of or as a subject at school, but also for economic and personal growth. We are able to see literature being used in various platforms of the country, in various platforms of individuals' capacity, where people are able to use literature or use literature not just as a subject, but as a tool for economic empowerment, as a tool for individual growth. and social development. So with this said, then don't be limited to looking at literature as a subject, but instead focus more on its functions. What purpose does it serve to you as a person, and what purpose does it serve to you as a citizen of Zambia? So thank you. Make sure that you upload any questions or concern or additions that you may have to add to this lesson, and also feel free to recommend this video, share it with others. Don't just watch it, but share it so that we can learn. Remember, these short videos are basically meant just to educate our learners of literature as a subject, and also help them pull through their academics. So make sure you subscribe and share the video. Thank you for now.